everybody, welcome to another recycled craft with Miss Echo. That's me. Today I'm going to show you how to make a guitar out of recycled items that you might find at home. So here we go. So what you will need is, obviously you will need rubber bands. I only have 3 at home, surprisingly, so I'm going to reuse these. So you need rubber bands, a toilet paper tube, a empty box, a crayon if you want, a marker, some scissors, and some tape. So you see some scissors here. That means that adult supervision is recommended if you are not comfortable or allowed to cut things out yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a box. I chose a box that already has a little window in it, but you can use any box, whether it has a window or not. This is just a little bit easier to sort of get the cutting started. So I just want to make a hole around the same size as the window, I guess. And I'm going to cut all the way down and around this clear plastic stuff too. So now we've created this hole, and that's so that way you can hear all of the sound once we put together our guitar. So now to attach the fretboard, we're going to close the box. Oops. Let's see here. Close the box like so, and then I would suggest taping the box so that way the pieces at the top don't come undone while you're playing your instrument. That would be terrible. So sealed that side up. I've already taped to the bottom. You definitely want to tape the bottom shut, just so that way it has extra strength and it won't pop open while you're playing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tape the fretboard to the top of the box, and I would suggest doing this by taping onto the toilet paper tube first, and then we're going to set it down onto the box like an octopus sitting on top of something and spreading its tentacles out. Just like so. And then you can add more reinforcements on the back. Oops, that one wasn't long enough. There. All right, so now we have our fretboard. I'm going to draw some lines on it to make it look like a fretboard. It's the stick that comes up out of the guitar. There we go. As you can see, it kind of looks like where you would put the fingers. So now we're going to take our rubber bands and make sure that they're stretchy enough to go around the sides of the box that you're going to put them on, or else you're going to end up snapping the rubber band while you're putting it on, and that kind of hurts a little bit, so you don't want to do that. All right, so I'm going to test this one. That looks pretty good. And I'm just going to put it around the box, and I'm trying not to smush the box, because then if you smush the box, you're not going to have a guitar, and that would be very sad. All right, and then you can use as many rubber bands as you want. I only have 3 in my house, so if you have more than that, you can do a 5 rubber band guitar. You could do a 6 rubber band guitar. You could do any size guitar. So now we have our strings, and I tried to space them out evenly. So when you play it, you can hear the noise. If you move them a little bit closer together, it might get a better sound. But if you use a crayon to bridge the hole, you can change the tune or the pitch of the string just by doing that. So, see, it's lower and higher pitch. Oops, I lost my crayon, but that's okay. This is why we have the large hole in the box. And then you can even put it above here, change the tune that way. You could use a crayon or a pencil, whatever fits. I just happen to have a crayon right here. And that is how you make an instrument from the items that you might find at home. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and hopefully we'll make another thing next week together. So have a great day.